Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can clear your Google search history. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you need to have your Google tab open up, and then on the main page, you need to locate the three dots at the top right. Click on the three dots, and you will click on the history search down here, and then you would click on history. Then you would go to delete browsing data, click on this, and there are several options here. So you can either delete the history in the last hour, or you can delete the history in the last 1 day, 7 day, 4 weeks, or all the history that you have been searching. So let's say I just want to delete the history in the last hour. It will ask you several options. You can either just delete the history, or you can also delete the cookies and the site data. So basically, if you click this option, it will sign you out of all the site that you have signed in, and then also the images and the files on those sites. So this is really up to you how you can decide it, but the basic thing it would be deleting either one of these 4 time frame, and then once you are okay, you can click on delete data, and that should delete the browsing data. So when you go back to the history, you will see nothing here. And that is how you can delete the history on Google search. Thank you.